And how many cars again?
350.
350, wow. That's a lot of Corvettes.
18 semis.
Full of parts?
Full of parts.
Wow.
We have one semi that has nothing but wiring harnesses in it. And we know the cars. We build them.
Right.
We fix them. We restore them. We're not just nice folks sitting in a boiler room.
So, oh, okay, so yeah, you have all your trailers here. Man, it would be cool to have like a way to get up there and get like a more like,
Oh yeah.
like a bird's view.
Well, you know, they're probably afraid to have pictures that they take from airplanes and that kind of stuff.
So your C3, C4 mix is what, is a 50-50 or?
No, there's probably a third C3s and 2/3 C4s.
Oh, okay.
Because the C4s are real inexpensive. These are C3 frames and a bird cage. Most people have
Oh yes,
a C3 bird cage.
look at that.
Very few people have ever seen a C3 bird cage.
Wow.
Because it's all covered with fiberglass.
Of course. You know, I always try to inspect when I'm looking at a car, a potential
Well,
purchase,
that's the kick panels. You know,
because of
first
the
thing,
intrusion.
that's
You know,
the
and it's,
number 2 mounting point.
right,
The
right.
frame.
So yeah, that is a C3 bird cage.
This 78 silver one,
This one here.
I bought from an attorney. His client didn't have the money for the retainer, so the client gave the attorney the car. He came to me to sell it. This was 10 years or so ago. It was almost perfect. It had good paint, it had good interior, it needed a flywheel. We never bothered to put a flywheel in it.
Just let it sit here.
Because we got other stuff that's
Yeah.
worth a whole lot more.
Yeah.
We should have. You know, in hindsight, I wish I
guess
had.
it used to
Because the
be.
sun has taken all the paint off, reached all the
Oh,
stuff
yeah.
from inside. But it was a nice car, it just needed a flywheel.
But you can reuse so many parts. Like if the glass is good, it can be used again. I mean,
Oh,
things
yeah,
like that. I
yeah,
mean,
well, that's what we do. We
yeah.
sell parts.
yeah.
It's a 73 that's got a little too much rust to build at this point. Once it becomes valuable enough.
Man. How do you find stuff around here? I mean, you know where everything is, kind of? Uh-oh. The good old computer.
Idea.
Oh my goodness.
This is the easy part. It's the 18 semis full of parts that are impossible for anybody to know where everything is.
So what is the, you know, what parts are the most popular?
It depends on the cars, on the fourth generation cars. It's mostly electronic stuff, switches and ECMs and all that kind of thing. On C3s,
Another 73 here.
oh yeah. Yeah, in fact, that is a big block car. I think I got the motor for it.
Man, poor Corvettes. Can't believe that they end up like this.
If they were a Toyota, they'd have been melted down and they'd be a Kia now.
Yeah.
So, this is a 70 convertible that I bought at Carlisle one year. Complete car. And I have sold the frame out from under it, the doors, the front flip. And then when it's time, it's one of the most solid cars we have. When it's time, we'll put it all back together.
You do?
Yeah, we can build one from the title.
So how about seats and stuff like that? What do you do with those?
They're in a pool.
Oh, okay.
Did anything else go in there besides those other three things? Those like little the things for the seat?
Yes.
Just put those in and seal it up.
Barn that these two work out of. This is motor transmission.
So, as you can see, if you need parts for your C3 Corvette project, these guys probably have what you're looking for. One thing I want to clarify is they're not you pull it type of operation. If you have a list of parts, contact them, either email or phone call. And again, most likely they will have what you're looking for. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.